How to decorate a table for Thanksgiving Day. Here are 7 amazing ideas inspired by different styles and colors. In this video, you will see how to create them using the Planner 5D app. Don't forget to hit the like button. It will help make this video more popular. Idea number 1. Brown and gold. Choose the rug and its structure, and then adjust the size. This rug will be used as a table runner in the center of the table. Next, consider other important elements: plates with cutlery, wine glasses, and the turkey, the centerpiece of the table during Thanksgiving. Once you've selected the right colors and textures for your items, you can simply replicate them. Include vases with red dried flowers. And candlesticks to make your table look more festive. Idea number 2. Pumpkins. The pumpkin is one of the most recognizable symbols of the fall season, and in this idea, they will dominate too. Again, start with the rug that will serve as a central table runner. Then, consider the dishes. A set of square plates, wine glasses, and cutlery with a cloth napkin will complement the theme perfectly. For the centerpiece, choose a modern vase with dried flowers in a boho style. Add several candlesticks in the same style. And pumpkins use different sizes and colors, ranging from big to small, and from traditional orange to more unusual green and beige. Your table will look more trendy and fresh with these additions. Idea number 3. Bali Bowls. Some tropical vibes during Thanksgiving. Why not? Let's blend these two atmospheres in this idea. Choose the tablecloth from the holiday items and change its color to white. Add 3 rugs as table runners, opting for a straw structure to give them a more tropical appearance. Include a white square plate. Then, locate a plaid among the items, adjust its size, and change its texture as it is used here as a fabric napkin. A straw bowl will serve as a prominent reminder of the tropics. Add cutlery and replicate all dining items. Arrange fern branches along the central line of the table to enhance coziness. However, since it's Thanksgiving, let's incorporate some fall season elements too: large candles and orange pumpkins of different sizes. Idea number 4. Gold and green. For those who prefer more luxurious interiors, this idea will be a fantastic find. Arrange all the necessary decor: a vase with dried flowers, a vase on a wooden stand with a fir branch, a square plate, cutlery on a cloth napkin, and a bow decoration. Then, adjust their sizes and colors. Remember that this style is luxurious, so use neutral colors, white, beige, and gold textures. For a table for 6 persons, use 3 vases with white dried flowers and 2 with a fir branch. Don't forget about coziness. Add to golden candlesticks in a classic style. And 5 pieces of stabilized moss. It seems like we forgot something. Oh, it's the tablecloth and 3 table runners with a calm texture. Now it's ready. Idea number 5, pine cone and orange. Maximal coziness. That's how you can describe this Thanksgiving table decor. Arrange the dishes, wine glass, cutlery, to square plates, and a straw basket. Change the dish's color to white and make the straw basket darker. Since this option excludes table runners, use altered rugs as placemats. The color should be orange to evoke a fall vibe. What does cozy associate with? Correct, candles. Let's choose a candlestick in the form of a lantern with a spruce wreath, and another candlestick with fir cones. For the centerpiece, place many fir cones and add a classic candlestick. Duplicate the same decor on the opposite side of the table to make it symmetrical and create the feeling of a small forest at home. Idea number 6, spring in autumn. Missing the warm spring? No problem. You can reflect it in this Thanksgiving table decoration. Start with the placemats. Here, use a round textured rug that might symbolize the sun in spring. Add a kitchen plate with a napkin and cutlery. And don't forget about the wine glass. Then, replicate this setup for 4 persons. As decorations, add to white round vases with white roses. You might be asking, where is the spring touch? A green leaf wreath is the answer. Place it under the vases and leave one more as the centerpiece. A box of greens will enhance the spring atmosphere. The centerpiece of this composition is the star with small lights. Change the color to white to maintain the color palette. Add a small lantern with candles. Also, adjust the length of the box to make it as long as the table. Place some white branches symmetrically, and your table is ready. Idea number 7, black and white. The last but not least, classical black and white combination. Take to plants, change their color to white, and place them symmetrically to create a table runner. Now, it's time for decorations and dishes. A big vase with dried flowers as a centerpiece. A composition with fir and stars, a cloth napkin with cutlery, and plates with fir decor. The theme for this table decor is black and white. So all the elements should support this idea. Change the color accordingly. The composition with stars should also be changed into this palette. To add some color to this option, use fir branches to decorate the center line of the table. So, which idea do you like the most? Let's recap them all. Put the number of your favorite idea in the comments. And hit the subscribe button not to miss our next videos. Happy Thanksgiving!